Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Blood on My Jeans on guitar. Start by tuning to standard and place a capo where it fits the vocal range. First, learn the main chord shapes and the riff slowly. Next, isolate the right hand rhythm and count beats while you play. Practice transitions between parts with a metronome and increase speed only when your fingers stay accurate and relaxed. Keep it fun and steady. Start by forming each chord slowly, fretting clean notes, and checking every string rings. Play each chord for 4 counts and move to the next with a steady tempo. Focus on the common fretting fingers to make smoother transitions and reduce motion. Practice short loops of 2 chords until changes are fluent, then add the next chord and repeat. Keep hands relaxed and take short breaks to avoid tension while practicing carefully. If you are finding this lesson helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guitar tips. Quick recommendation: I love using leak-proof containers for meal prep because they keep sauces sealed and save time between practice sessions. They are perfect for bringing snacks to rehearsals or keeping guitar care supplies tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Isolate the riff and play it on one string set until your picking becomes consistent and even. Count the rhythm aloud while you pick to lock timing with your strumming hand. Add dynamics by playing softer on passing notes and stronger on accents to capture the song's emotion. Once the riff feels steady, layer it over the chord progression and practice the switch between riff and chords. Keep the tempo slow until transitions are seamless and confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.